You can edit videos on your mobile device using the best video editing apps, no matter where you are. They're a terrific choice for novices and hobbyists because they're easier to use than desktop video editing applications. In this video, we will be looking at a list of the greatest video editing apps available today, including free, freemium, and paid-for choices. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. The first is Adobe Premiere Rush. Premiere Rush is a video editing program for YouTubers and social media users. It adapts your films to the particular aspect ratios and quality levels required by each platform. It's also the finest video editing tool for professional video editors because it allows you to take footage created in Premiere Pro and alter it on your phone or tablet. After that, you may upload the content to the cloud and continue working on it in Premiere Pro. The app's interface is basic and intuitive, with large icons and panels that make common video editing operations like dragging and dropping footage onto the timeline, fixing color, mixing in music or voiceovers, and adding titles and transitions a breeze. Next is Quik. Quik is the official GoPro app, which was redesigned in March with a new name and looks, as well as the former Quik app's music sync editing tools. This video editing app is designed to do two things: allow you to control your GoPro device from a distance and edit your GoPro footage. It imports your film instantly and makes it simple to sync your movies to music, add photographs, titles, time-lapse sequences, and incorporate graphs based on your statistics. You can easily post your images and videos to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, as well as share them via text or email after they're completed. This software is free, but you can buy additional themes and filters with in-app purchases. Next is Lumafusion. Lumafusion is an iOS software that allows journalists, filmmakers, and video producers to quickly shoot and edit video. This iPhone and iPad software, created by Pinnacle Studio, has 6 video and audio tracks for photographs, videos, titles, and graphics. It also has additional 6 audio tracks for narration, music, and sound effects. With its magnetic timeline, the UI is similar to Final Cut Pro. Any effect, as well as clip animation, can be keyframed, allowing for precise modifications to your project. Then we have Kinemaster. Kinemaster is one of the greatest professional video editing apps available. This complex program lets you film, edit, and export your footage on your phone or tablet using a multi-layer interface. It features high-end capabilities like blending modes, chroma keying, and audio mixing. It's compatible with both iOS and Android devices. This is one of the best video editing tools for frame-by-frame granularity while trimming clips and layers. Also, the timing of audio clips can be modified with subframe precision. You can submit many layers of video, photos, and text, as well as multi-track audio, on supported devices. Instant edit previews, accurate volume envelope control, color LUT filters, speed controls, chroma key compositing, and 3D transitions are some of the other features. While this isn't precisely Premiere Pro on a smartphone, it's close. Kinemaster is free to download, but it adds watermarks to videos that can only be removed with a subscription. You can also export in 1080p or 4K, and you'll have access to over 1,000 premium files. The next best video editing app is iMovie. If you have an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, you already have iMovie, because it comes pre-installed. This is a long way from becoming a professional tool like Lumafusion or Kinemaster. It's a terrific place to start if you're a newbie who wants to start editing videos and adding titles, music, voiceovers, and images. iMovie supports 4K on recent devices and, as you'd expect, works seamlessly with the rest of the Apple ecosystem. You can store your films to the iCloud Drive or broadcast them to an Apple TV via AirPlay, and everything integrates seamlessly with Apple Photos, Mail, and Messages. Next is Filmorago. Wondershare's Filmorago is a free software for iOS and Android that allows you to edit online HD videos without a steep learning curve. It can also assist even novices in making their films look strikingly professional thanks to its themed filters and effects. Although some in-app purchases, like tunes and effects, are available, your movies will operate just fine without them. It now has a fresh new user interface, light and dark modes, and an AR camera. In addition, you may now splice films into the same image, choose from a wide range of templates in areas like fashion, gastronomy, and travel, and utilize masks not only on the main track, but also on the PIP track. Next is Apple Clips. Apple Clips is worth checking out if you're an iOS user. With filters, animated text, music, emoji, and stickers, you can create and send video messages or tell video stories with this free software. Apple Clips is primarily geared towards children and families, and it isn't even close to the power of iMovie. Nonetheless, it is moving closer to becoming a genuine video editing program with each new version. The most recent version allows you to import and edit video shots in cinematic mode on the iPhone 13, as well as ProRes video from the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max. Filmmaker Pro is another one of the top iPhone video editing apps. This program has some useful pro tools, such as 30 filters, 17 transitions, and audiometer-assisted voiceovers. Video grading, excellent green screen support, approximately 200 different typefaces for text overlays, and complex techniques like chroma keying are all included. Filmmaker Pro, like many of the apps on this list, is free to download, but you won't get the entire feature set, and your videos will have watermarks. As a result, it's better to think of this as a subscription-based program, with a free download serving as a trial edition. Then we have the all-popular Insta Hot. Insta Hot is one of the top video editing programs for making clips for social media. It makes it seamless and easy to import, cut, and edit your footage together. You may also add filters, stickers, captions, emojis, and other fun things, as well as free music and sound effects, using a clear and easy-to-use interface. It also has pre-built canvas sizes for exporting to platforms ranging from IGTV to TikTok. The software is free, however, it contains advertisements, and your movies will be watermarked. With a simple monthly subscription, both can be deleted. One-time purchases for more sophisticated features are also available. Lastly, we have Action Director. Action Director is an Android-only app that is developed exclusively for filming and editing action video footage. So, in addition to being a simple video editing program, it also has some cool action effects that you can use on your videos. You can, for example, precisely slow down or speed up video parts to create eye-catching slow motion or fast motion scenarios. You may also replay or rewind select areas of your movie by highlighting them. Aside from that, the software makes it simple to add titles and text, mix in music, and share videos through social media. Action Director is free to download, but some features require in-app purchases. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.